are going to unveil the fourth key challenge in the graphic design industry. In the electrifying world of graphic design, obstacles emerge as creators chase after new frontiers where imagination dances with pixels. However, this journey is far from leisurely. The graphic design realm is fraught with challenges that demand finesse and precision. Now, we turn our attention to the fourth challenge, mastering the art of beating deadlines. Picture this: you're at a restaurant, hungry and waiting for your meal. But as the seconds drag on, your patience wears thin. In this fast paced world, time is a treasure, and no one can afford to squander it. Clients, much like restaurant goers, place value on timely delivery. They invest in your expertise and expect designs to be served promptly. Meeting deadlines isn't just a preference, it's a cornerstone of trust building in the design community. How, then, can we rise to this challenge? Let's explore strategies to not only meet deadlines but also to outpace them. First is the power of organization. Maintain a daily log and structure your work schedule accordingly. Secondly, the art of task fragmentation. Divide your projects into manageable segments. This not only facilitates timely completion but also bolsters your confidence. Remember, in the tapestry of design, punctuality is the thread that weaves trust and reliability. Join us as we continue our journey, delving into the intricacies of graphic design challenges and the strategy that lead to triumph. In a world where seconds count, we embark on a mission to craft designs that not only capture the imagination but also honor time's value. Designing at the speed of creativity, where precision meets artistic flair. Until our next deadline, let your designs define moments. Thank you for watching, and get ready for the last key challenge, where we explore the last key challenge that defines the graphic design industry. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.